is problem solving and listening. I'm just going to introduce it to you. So first, what is problem solving? Problem solving focuses on analyzing a challenge, developing a strategy, and implementing steps to overcome it. It involves actively working through obstacles with the goal of finding a complete solution. So, simply problem solving is you're going to solve a problem with a strategy. So, for the first example, what is 8 plus 4 times 3? So, you're going to use the MDAS rule or MDAS. MDAS. Wala. Because there's no parenthesis. So, first is need to first multiplication here is first. So first we need to multiply 4 times 3. So 8 plus 4 times 3 is 12. Now you have only one operation, so of course the addition. So you're going to add it. 8 plus 12 is also 20. So the answer for number 1 is 20. Number 2, problem. You have a weekly allowance of 100 pesos. How can you save 50 for a future purchase? So, you can obviously do, you will obviously do is first you have 100 per week. Then simply you just gonna minus 100 minus 50. This 50 represent this 50 pesos. So if 100 minus 50 is 50. So 50 for savings and 50 for your allowance. And that's it. So the problem. Number 3 is find the area of rectangle. So simply you need the formula of area. Area is equal to width times length. So simply you just gonna substitute the width, which is 7, and length, which is 5, is equal to 25 cm squared or square centimeters. Number 2 is item 4. Store has 200 items. Is not in and 65 years old today. How many items are left? So it is very simple. So 200 items in stock, and then 65 years old today. So it's gonna minus 100 minus 65. Is 135. So how many items are left? There are 135 items left. And lastly, example number 5. You want to arrive at 10 a.m. meeting, and it takes 45 minutes to get there. What time should you give? So you just gonna ignore the traffic and some issues. Just gonna minus 10 into 0.35. 10 a.m. is gonna minus 45 minutes. So the answer is 9:50 p.m. So you leave at exactly 9:50 a.m. Then you will get at exactly 10 a.m. So you cannot miss your meeting. So now let's So let's proceed through reasoning. What is reasoning? So reasoning involves logically thinking through information, analyzing relationships, and drawing conclusions based on patterns, premises, or observations. It's less about arriving at a solution and more about understanding, interpreting, and reducing information. So as I've said, reasoning is about using logic to make sense of information and reach into conclusions. It is a skill we use every day to connect facts, understand patterns, and make decisions. So, example, I'm just going to it. Example, all fruits have seeds. An apple is a fruit. Does an apple have seeds? So your reasoning is yes, because apples are fruits and all fruits have seeds. So according to the problem, you can make conclusions. So number two, you hear thunder and see dark clouds. Will it rain soon? So your reasoning is yes, based on past experience, thunder and dark clouds often mean rain is coming. So of course, if there is not thunder and the clouds are dark, so of course you must proceed to the conclusion that rain is coming soon. So number three, if all high school students wear uniforms and Sarah is in high school, does Sarah wear uniforms? So your reasoning is yes, because Sarah is high school student and all high school students wear uniforms. So simply you will just focus on questions and then you proceed, you interpret the questions, the problems or questions, and then you proceed to conclusions. So number four, the sequence goes. So the sequence is 2, 4, 6, 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. What comes next? So the pattern is simply adding 2. So 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 plus 2 is 8. So the question is, what comes next? So the pattern is 2, you will add 2. So simply you will add 2 here. So the number that comes next is 10. And lastly, number 5, problem. If you forget to water a plant, it dries out. If you forgot to water your plant, what will happen? So the reason here is the plant will likely dry out because that's what usually happens when plants aren't watered. So I hope you understand what is problem solving and listening. That is simply an introduction because problem solving and listening have more complex details, but I'm not gonna mention it because other students will, of course, will record it. So I'm going to introduce you so that you can so you have a knowledge with other report. So there are 2 types of reasoning, inductive and deductive. But in problem solving, there are process. Yet I'm not going to report it to you. So I'm just gonna introduce to you the fourth step in problem solving process. So the Polya's strategy on solving problems. So first one is understand the problem. Second is devise a plan. Third is carry out the plan. And fourth is evaluate the solution. And of course, problem solving. I think that's all. I think that's all. In summary of what I discussed, problem solving involves a structured approach to overcome specific challenges with the help of create solutions, while reasoning relies on analyzing and interpreting relationships, patterns, or logical principles to draw conclusions. These distinctions help tailor your approach to various challenges, whether you are calculating a solution, which is the problem solving, or deducing a conclusion, which is the reasoning. And that is all from my report. Thank you.